Hi guys, welcome to my video. In today's video, we are going to open up the FabFitFun Fall 2020 box. I'm not gonna lie, I already opened this box. A lot of my subscribers already know I opened this box because we opened it on YouTube live and that was so much fun. So thank you to everyone that came out. That video was really long. It's like an hour and a half long. I know not everyone wants to watch an unboxing like that, so we're gonna open it again. I'm gonna talk about the products a little bit, and this is gonna be a much shorter video for your viewing pleasure. So if you missed that live, you will have this as a second chance to watch the unboxing. And if you watched the live and you're watching this, thanks for watching me unbox it twice. The first thing I want to talk about is the box art. It's very gorgeous. I'm not so happy that they put a humongous sticker on the top. It's okay, the box is still beautiful. We can just ignore this little corner down here. But the best thing is it's also environmentally friendly. It's made from 100% recycled craft paper. So the box and the filling inside, all of that is made from 100% recycled paper, and they are working with the designers of the box, the artists, to use less ink in the process of making the beautiful designs that we know and love from FabFitFun. So we have this beautiful like yellow and white look. I love this color. It's like my favorite fall color, kind of a mustard yellow. So I'm very excited about the inside of this box and I can't wait to start my repurposing projects with that. So we have our handy dandy magazine that we know and love. It has a lot of cool stuff. There's always like word searches. It talks, like here we have a recipe. Oh my goodness, what is this? Pumpkin spice recipes. I'm in love. Okay, so they have pumpkin spice date shake. I actually have a lot of dates in my refrigerator, so that's really perfect. Pumpkin cauliflower mac and cheese. These all look very, very healthy. Pumpkin sage pizza. If you have never been on my channel before, you probably don't know, but if you have been a subscriber and watched a lot of my recent fall videos, you know I'm obsessed with pumpkin. Pumpkin everything. People don't know that there's a clue in here. So most people do know, and if you're in the FabFitFun community, they usually share this clue in there as well. But there is a sneak peek for what's gonna be in the next box. It's our first spoiler. Technically it's a spoiler clue, but it's our first one. This time there is a lily. It's very obvious that's a lily, and then it looks like a nickel, or it looks like a coin. So I googled everything, like Lily nickel, Lily Ben, because it kind of looks like Ben Franklin, Lily Franklin, and then I went to the community for some help because I like to guess it on my own first, and then if I can't, I'll go. And they say that this is the front of the Pulitzer Prize medal. So it's Lily Pulitzer. I don't know how to say it. You know what I mean though. That's very exciting though because they do have like a really cute, unique look. So I don't know what we're gonna get, but it could also be a planner because they have a lot of stuff like that. Yeah, 2021 planner in that kind of like a cute design. That would be super great. We did get a planner last year in winter as well, so that's my guess. But there's so many options on the site. They sell like everything, so who knows what we're gonna get. What we really care about though is how much our box is worth, and we will talk about that in here as well. So the first section, there were 7 choices. We got a lot of choices, like too many choices in my opinion. It's a lot harder to pick when you get that many, and they know that. And that's exactly why they did it, so that we would get those extras. What I picked as my first choice is the Bakir bag. This was our spoiler clue last time, and I was so excited about this. I was really hoping it was gonna be like a cute little crossbody or clutch or something like that, something like small and adorable. It was not. It is nylon. So this is actually all a nylon bag, but this is a really good size. This is definitely perfect for travel size. I love the look of it. I do think that it looks like semi high-end. It has these zippers that do nothing. Look at all the space you get. I'm gonna pull this out. This is all the space you get inside. So that's pretty good. Then you have these 2 pockets here. One's like cell phone size and one's maybe for your keys. Then on top of that, you also have a zipper pocket over here. This is what I need for travel. Let's get rid of that. I need something for travel that fits underneath the seat when I'm on a plane, that zips up so that everything is secure, and this one does. So when I saw this, it was exactly everything that I look for when I look for the type of tote bag I want. The fact that it's nylon is also good in my opinion. I don't want it to be like a fabric or a leather or anything that can get gross. And I did end up getting a second item in this category. I ended up getting this basket right here, but they said it's shipping separately. It hasn't shipped yet. so I don't know when I'm gonna get it. I want my whole room to be white, black, and gold, so that's the reason why I got it. I think it'll be perfect. Even if I put a little trash can in it, that would also be cute, like make my trash can cuter, but I think I'm gonna use it for like odds and ends, little things that I need to have around, like my phone cord or whatever, but I don't want them lying on my room floor, just like next to my bed for whenever I need to grab it. That's what I think I'm gonna use it for, like the book I'm reading right now. We'll see. The retail value that they list for the bag is $128. So for the box being $49.99, you already are making up your value in just that item. Of course, you actually have to want that item, but I did want it. For the basket, the retail value for the basket is $60. Would I pay $60 for that basket? Probably not. I would probably pay me like $20, $25. If you do it as an add-on, you get it for $15. If it's available to add it on. So it was available for me at the time. I definitely value it more than $15. So in the second section, we had 6 items to choose from. There was a second one that I ended up getting in this section, but I could have done without it too. I just wanted to try it. For $15, sometimes I just add something just to try it out. What I did get is the Beyond Yoga scarf. And Beyond Yoga is a brand that I know and love. I have always felt like they had really great quality, and this fabric is so soft. If you watched me unbox this when we live unboxed this box, I was obsessed before I even got it out of the plastic packaging. That's kind of what you get with Beyond Yoga. You get really great fabrics. The one thing that I noticed, and I noticed this while I was live, I had just put it over my shoulders, I know that I did not do this, is that the sewing came undone right here, and it's a very easy fix. Just looking at it, I can tell it's a very easy fix. I am extremely happy that this is what I got, and there's a ginormous pocket in here. So we unzip this. It is a very, very deep pocket. So this is the size of the pocket. It would go like this, and there were some photos where you could wear it as a mask. I don't know if I would wear this as a mask, but it looks like you can. And you could also wear it like over your hair to keep your ears warm, wear it like that. So I do like that there's so many options that you can use it for, and I of course love the fabric, you guys. If you have this, comment below how soft this feels. Like, what would you compare it to? Clouds, cotton candy, a newborn baby. I don't know if they're soft, I've never had one. So I did add something in this section as well, and that is the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Serum Perfector. So this is supposed to help clear out any waxy buildup or anything that can get kind of clogging in those pores. It has so many great ingredients in here. It has glycolic acid, it has lactic acid. Those are both really good at brightening your skin. It also has willow bark, it has witch hazel, very good products for good skincare. But it also has a lot of extracts. So if you have any fruit or plant allergy, then this probably would not be for you. It had rosemary, it has lemon, it has apple, it has cucumber, peach, coriander, jasmine, bergamot, lavender, raspberry, cranberry, literally every extract you can think of. It's in here. It has some of my favorite ingredients. It has the camellia seed oil, it also has sodium hyaluronate. It's my personal favorite of the hyaluronic acid options. Also has prickly pear. I love that. That's a very moisturizing ingredient, and it's really, really good in skincare. I don't think we see it in skincare as much as we should. We will do a smell test. I did smell this last night when I unboxed it live, but I have zero memory of what it smells like for some reason. So with all those fruit extracts, I would suppose that it would have some sort of a fruity smell to it. It's very nice. I can smell a little bit of the flower extracts in there. I would say extremely light floral, like you can barely smell the florals, and then something like aloe, eucalyptus, or cucumber, something like that that's a little bit more like spa water. Whatever it is, it smells very good. I did not see fragrance on the list, but they have an extremely long list, so I might have missed it. It goes all the way across here, and then it finishes down here. So I might have missed it, but I'm pretty sure that this does not have fragrance. I read the reviews on this, and people were praising it. So I will make sure I'll let you guys know how well this goes. Follow me on Instagram, that is where I'll post most of my reviews. The Beyond Yoga scarf was $59.95, and then the Dr. Gross serum is $65. Section 3 had 5 options, and I knew exactly which one I wanted the most. That is these Vitamasks. They are a Korean skincare brand. I received them, I believe I got them in a FabFitFun sale. I wish the eye holes were a little bit bigger, but everything else I really love about this, and you can definitely feel the difference. They're chock full of vitamins. They have like 4 B vitamins, they have vitamin C, they have vitamin E. All of those are really great for skincare. The thing I love about them the most though is how thin they are. They are extremely thin. That makes them fragile, but it also makes them really stick to your face. So you can run around your house doing errands, washing your dishes, putting your laundry. I know that maybe you should like relax while you're doing your skincare, but that's not who I am, okay? I'm a multitasker. I do as many things as I possibly can at the exact same time. In fact, I even cut the eye hole bigger in most of my masks, and I do my eye makeup while I'm letting my mask sit. That is how much of a multitasker I am. There's a lot of masks that slip off your face or they're too heavy and you have to be laying down or sitting down. Those are good too. Enjoy your peace and quiet while you're doing that, but that's not always practical. These are definitely practical, and they still are so full of serum that they're doing great things for your skin. We just got one item in that section. I think if you wanted to get extra items in that section, it would have been $10. I forgot to mention that in the Vitamasks, you get 5 masks and it's a $40 retail value. So now we're moving on to customization number 4. Those first 3, all members could customize those. It doesn't matter if you're annual or you're seasonal. The last 2 customizations you can only customize if you're annual. So if you're not annual, you will get one of those selected for you. It'll become a FabFitFun pick basically. I am annual, so I do get to customize it. And I selected the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. This has been something that I've been wanting to try for so long. I've just never purchased it. I do use tinted brow gel. This one's clear brow gel, so you will need to already have some hair to work with. This is one of those holy grail things. It's not my holy grail yet, but it is one of those things that is, I think, on a lot of people's holy grail lists. I don't know that I love that this is like full size brush. I usually like it to be very small so I can work it exactly where I want to work it. This looks to me like what I would use on my lashes, but we'll see. I'm not gonna knock it till I try it. So in this section, I added not 1, but 2 items. So for this one is the Feel Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. I know that walnut scrubs get kind of like a bad reputation, and I'm sure there are some really terrible ones, but this is a brand that I looked it up and I felt like I could trust the brand. It is also a cruelty-free brand. I really care about that. And it's supposed to smell like pumpkin, okay? And I love pumpkin. We already discussed this. The little granules are so small that even if I were to put my hand all the way up here, you wouldn't even see the granules. Like, they are so small. There's one right there. But I think I could use this maybe once a week just for like a deep exfoliation. If you are using any skincare at all, any serum, any hyaluronic acid, and you are not exfoliating, your skincare is doing nothing. Literally, it's just sitting there on top of all your dead skin cells. It's made in California, it smells like pumpkin, it has aloe in it. How can you go wrong with something like that? The Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel is $22 retail value. The Feel Walnut Scrub that's like pumpkin scented is $28. Section 5 also had 5 you could choose from if you are annual only. The one that was going to be in my box are the 8 Other Reason clips. They are so cute. They have like a really nice shimmer. So this said that these clips are supposed to be worth $32 for 3 clips. And no sir, I do not believe that that is the retail value. There are some inflated retail values for FabFitFun. Happens in almost every subscription box. There are a couple subscription boxes that I think don't do it. That's my personal opinion. If you think these are worth $32, I'm not trying to offend. So they are very cute though. I am very happy that I got them, and like, isn't that adorable? I'm gonna keep that in the rest of the video. The second item I got is this hip cutlery set. This is about not using anything single use. So this comes with a knife, a spoon, and a fork. They say it's a fork, but I think it's a spork. So this can easily be clipped to the inside of your purse, and then here you have it, your knife, your spoon, and fork. I think that this is a great idea. I do like what the company is trying to do, and I'm always for supporting more companies like that. So I wanted to make sure to add it to my cart so FabFitFun knows that their customers appreciate things like this. And it was $7 to add it on. This did not have as big as a retail value as these, but I would say if I were to give it my own retail value, that I would retail them around the same. This one's retail value is $14.95. So I also added on the NCLA So Rich Cuticle Oil. I love horchata. That's like one of my favorite drinks. I remember it as a kid. I used to beg my mom to make it. It's basically rice, milk, sugar, and cinnamon, but it tastes so good. It tastes a lot like cinnamon, and it's very sweet. I did buy it because I thought it was gonna smell like horchata, but it doesn't, okay? We are going to put a little bit on our cuticles, and it smells so much like cinnamon, and it smells so, so good. The horchata So Rich NCLA treatment for cuticle oil is $18. So that's as far as customization goes, but FabFitFun gets to pick 3 items for us. We used to all get the same items, and I really wish we could go back to those days when I can't customize it and they're just sending me something and I really want something. For example, this next section we're gonna get to, section 6. There was something I wanted so bad that if I could have done something to guarantee to get in my box, I probably would have. Sadly, I did not get it. So if anybody out there hates it and wants to trade, my email is down in the description box below. The one I wanted is the pumpkin pedicure set. This also had the laundress crease release, and that is the one that we got. This is for removing wrinkles. They have really great ingredients. And this one's supposed to have their classic scent. Let's spray it on my clothes, why not? It has a clean laundry scent, just a basic clean laundry scent. They're also a cruelty-free brand. They're also made in the US. I have enough Spongel, but I'm always happy to get more. And I really wanted the pedicure set. This one is actually my least favorite. The retail value of this is $16 US. Same thing for section 7. There are 4 items. 2 of them were room sprays. One was a pumpkin spice, one was a Santal Noir. I wanted the pumpkin spice room spray. They also had a hair treatment mask from Tokyo Lab, and I would have actually really been excited to get that. Based on the reviews, those are the 2 that I would have wanted the most. But of course, that is not what I got. I got the Height Tranquility Spray, and I opened this so poorly last night. That's why it's already open, because I just ripped the box open. Height is going to be a FabFitFun brand. It says distributed by FabFitFun. It says it has witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water. So it's a skin mist. It's not like you spray it on your clothes or anything like that. And it says that it's good for all skin types. When I normally get tranquility mist or sleep mist or anything like that, the lavender scent is ridiculously strong, and I feel like this one is not that strong. That being said, if you don't like lavender at all, you can still smell it in here. And this product is cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, vegan, like all the good things, so that's great. And this one is made in Korea. The retail value for that mist is $22 retail value. The last thing that I got are the Beauty Crop Glow Milk. These are also vegan and they're also cruelty-free. This one is made in China. They're just drops that you just add 1 tiny drop and it gives you a nice glow. Last night I put way too much on, so be careful when you're applying this. That was just 1 drop. And it's like my whole entire hand. You can mix it with foundation, you can put it under foundation, you can use it as highlighter, but I'll probably be putting it like on my collarbone right here or on my legs if I ever go to the beach. Can mix it into my sunscreen and just get like a nice pretty glow. The one thing I don't like about it is, to me, it smells a little bit like bug spray. Even if it doesn't have the best smell coming straight out of the bottle, it does not linger whatsoever, so that's pretty good. I'm happy about that because I was pretty disappointed in the smell when I first smelled it. The other options in that section were a body wash. It was like Beauty Papier body wash, and I think that was also supposed to smell like pumpkin. I didn't get any of the pumpkin things, okay? We're very sad. And then it was like a glasses case that could also be used like a clutch, but it was like basically a glasses bag from Ziggy and Marai. But I mean, the only thing I really wanted in that category, I guess, would have been the body wash. I think that makes my box total $362, if my head math is correct. I can do some regular math, and if it's not correct, somewhere on the screen while I'm editing, it'll tell you exactly how much my box is worth. I think all the FabFitFun picks had a pumpkin spice option, and I didn't get not even one. Okay, what kind of fall box is this? Last year, the fall box didn't even have pumpkin spice options. Let me know, what do you think about the fall box? Did you get your fall box yet if you're a FabFitFun member? If you are not, what is your favorite item in the box? Please make sure to comment down below. The comments always help me out. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.